top tier in summer up to 5,000. Let's go. Wow, bonus session. That's it. We collected all the bonus games this session, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Newcomers, welcome, and here we go. Good luck. New things. How was your day? 7 times crazy time. We already get it once today. Please. Ah! We're doing it again. 7 times crazy time, baby. Woo! Let's go. Wow, let us in, baby. Woo! Let's do it. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Crazy Time. Let's put a 7x on each one of the segments. Woo! Let's go! Yeah! Oh, we love what we see. Woo! Come on, baby. Decision time. Green, blue, or yellow flapper, guys. Oh, my goodness. We're doing it for the second time today. So if you can decide out that we can do a thing for you, and most of you decide to take the blue one. Come on, guys. Max multiplier. 1,400x. Let's go. Woo! Come on. Woo! Come on. 700x on the yellow. 140 on the blue. And 350 on the green. Woo!
This is my first time to join this game. So much joy. Oh, Zede, thank you so much. She's so scared to spin harder. Oh, if you would have felt the heaviness of this wheelie boy, you wouldn't say what you said just now. 25 times cash gun. Come on. Slow down. Hey, stay here. Stop. Woo! 25 times cash hunt. Let's go. Let's get it. Hey, 25x multiplier from the top slot. Another match that we got. All right. 500x. 25 times. 12,500x, baby! Woo! Let's go. Hey! That's insane. Man. I want to see what an impeccable payout a person is going to get as the highest payout of the round. Alright, now it's your time to shine. Try to guess behind which icon thingy that 12,500x is hiding. Even by placing €1, you can get 12.5k monies of the local currency. And the moment of revealing. Where is it?